Here we have the interface, look very nice. Curve Resolve is a Waves plugin designed to resolve frequency clashes and mix masking issues. So basically it helps clean up a muddy mix by spotting in overlapping frequencies and covering the space for each track. So for example, if you have the Curve Resolve plugin on the beat, Curve Resolve's feature is a learning function here. If you can see, put it on the master. I have these 3 tracks here. I play this. Okay. Now learn and go to play again. Now the plugin analyze all my track, the scan completed, and you can relearn if you want, or you can just put the knob up to reduce the frequency. If you can see in this range, in the low frequency, we have some attenuation in this range. If you exaggerate, okay. You can see here I clip because I applied this on the master. I just turned down the input a little bit. Okay, this is the basic application you can apply on the final master, or you can apply on the single track with the side chain. Okay, just a little example how to use it. I put it on my bass track here. I have this bass track and I want to side chain the drums, okay, to reduce the frequency clashes. So I want to resolve with this plugin the frequency clashes from this track, the drums on this bass. I put the plugin on the bass, I go to the side chain here to the top, I go to audio and I select the drums. Okay, now I go to the learn, I put the drums in play, now if you want you can press here, and to reduce the frequency clash go up with this advanced control. If you can see, if you go extreme hard, the bass is out. You just turn it. If you can see this frequency, and also you have the controls for the filter and the tilt on the sidechain signal, and optimize for the preset. Here you have drums, guitars, piano and more, and making easy to tailor the effect for your mix. So it's free for 28 hours starting from today, and I advise to grab it right now. You have the link in the description. So smash the like button if you want more free plugin alerts, and subscribe for more mixing tips. Peace.